This is gonna be my outfit for the day. If you guys don't know, it's summer in New Zealand and it's really hot these days, but I'm bringing this cardigan just because they blast the AC in class and it gets really cold. Top from Glasson. This jeans, it's either from Glasson or Cotton On, and this cardigan is from Kmart. This necklace is from Lovisa and the earrings are from Glassons. I'm such a basic bitch. While I get ready, let's talk. I am in my final year of nursing and I'm starting my semester 1. Our uni started a few days ago. I actually can't believe I'm in my final year of nursing. Time has actually gone by so fast. Like, I actually feel like I started yesterday, but I'm already in my final year. It's crazy. I'm actually really excited. At the same time, I'm kind of nervous because in third year we have 2 placements. So in final year of nursing, how it works is we have a placement in semester 1 and 2. But in year 1 and 2, we only had 1 placement at the end of the year. But it's a bit different in year 3. Year 3, you have 2 different placements. The first one is community nursing, and the second one, it's more like transitioning towards becoming a official, like, registered nurse. Like at the end of semester 2, which is for whole 10 weeks, you get sent into a hospital or whatever area that you choose. You are given 3 preferences, 3 different areas that you want to work at. You will get one, and then you'll basically be there for 10 weeks, and that's sort of like the end of year, and then you give your state exam. That's why I'm kind of scared, because it's actually like getting real to me that I'm gonna be a registered nurse. This is my final year, and yeah, I can't believe I'm actually almost done with uni. I'm low-key kind of scared, and I've seen the year schedule and it's a jam-packed year, so just thinking about it is stressing me out. But luckily I have my Magic Mind. Thank you, Magic Mind, for sending me Magic Mind shots. These days I've been drinking it with matcha. My Magic Mind drink and add it on my matcha. If you guys don't know, Magic Mind also has matcha in it. You guys already know how much I love matcha. I have already mentioned it in my previous vlog. Magic Mind really helps you focus more and helps you with stress as well. They recently have a new product as well. It's Magic Sleep, which is supposed to help you with getting better and deeper sleeps. I haven't tried it yet, but you guys should definitely try it. I'll put the link up on the screen. I will also leave a link in the description box below. You can click on it and you can get up to 45% off from the Magic Bundle. It'll be both Magic Mind Sleep and Magic Mind Shot. For the first time, they're offering a Magic Mind Bundle with both Magic Mind Shot and Magic Sleep shots. So yeah, don't forget to check the link. And yeah, once again, thank you, Magic Mind, for sending me all the shots.
Otherwise, good luck with clinic next week. So if I'm slightly late in
I look tired because I am so tired. Time is currently 4:30. And tell me why this semester all the classes are from 8:30 to 4:30. But luckily he let us go around 2:30. Only first week of uni and we already have 4 assignments. To be fair, 3 of them are e-learning. Basically, you just have to learn it online, and then at the end there will be a quiz. You have to get 80% to pass, and then you upload the certificate onto Moodle. Moodle is where my Unitech, you get access to all your PDFs and stuff like that, and this is also a platform where you upload your assignments. This is how I've been making my notes. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how my notes look like. Here during lectures, iPad really works the best for me, just because I can't write everything in pen and paper on the spot. But when I have iPad, I can literally copy and paste it in my notes app. The app that I use is Notability. I think in year 1 I tried GoodNote for a year, and then during my second year I tried Notability, and I renewed my subscription of Notability this year as well. But this is basically how I take my notes. I have PDF here, and then I have my personal note here, and when they're going by slides quickly, I just copy and paste it or highlight what's important and write it on this slide. So yeah, I love my iPad so much, and I always take it with me to uni. It's my most important thing. And since it's my final year, I'm trying to be more proactive. Now I think I'm gonna do some assignments. I can't really push it to the last minute just because there is so much. And if I push it to the last minute, I won't finish any of it. Hi guys, I just want to give you guys a quick haul of everything that I got. I bought this pastel yellow sticky note and this one. I love this one. This one is actually transparent. You can see through. It's like a tracing paper. You can stick on it. Actually see through. But yeah, it's really cute. Then I got two ball pens together. And then I got this cute chopping board. This is for my vegetable, fish, and meat. Because my kitchen is small and this is perfect for my kitchen size. And then I bought this small tray to put kimchi, cucumber, or like, you know, side dishes when I eat food. This tray, when I'm making meat or if I fry something, I can just let the oil drip. And then went to class on, of course, and I ended up buying 3 tank tops, which was not planned. First off, I got this very beautiful brown tank top. This one's called in the color soybeans. I am wearing size extra small. And next up, I bought basically 2 tops. I actually have this one in light gray, and the material is so good that I have to buy 2 more. Like, I always end up leaning towards that top whenever I go out. It's a simple plain shirt that can never go wrong with the jeans, so that's why I bought it. It's this gray color and the material is so soft and nice. And I bought another one in yellow. I know it's a bold choice. I rarely wear bright colors, but of course it's summer here in New Zealand, so I thought why not play with colors just a little bit more. So yeah, that's everything that I bought today.
시아 나와. 꽃 줄까? 내가 여기 숨겨놨어.